How to buy Bitcoin on Revolut app? Well, this is very easy thing to do. So you have to first of all download and you have to log in into the Revolut mobile application here. Then you have to add funds, right? So basically you have to add money. Tap on the account tab, tap add money and choose your preferred method, which is basically bank transfer, credit or debit card, and follow the instruction. They will basically ask you to verify for the payments, right? Now here access cryptocurrency section. So now you have to go to the crypto, tap on the hub tab or the wealth tab depending upon your app version. Select cryptocurrencies. If this is your first time buying crypto on Revolut, you may need to buy cryptocurrency exchange. Follow the on-screen instruction to do this. Basically they will again verify for this stuff. Now here from the list of cryptocurrencies, choose Bitcoin. Tap the buy button, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can enter the amount in your local currency and app will show you the equivalent amount in Bitcoin. Now here you have to review the details of your purchase including any fees and the current exchange rate. Now tap on buy now to confirm and complete your purchase, and that's it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.